Hey guys, Lukewarm Mining here. So, I got my KS0 Ultra in today. Hell yeah. So, I was a little bit worried because I had not gotten anything from DHL about this, and all of a sudden it got a notification on Monday saying it was being delivered today, Tuesday. So, here it is in the flesh. Honestly, it feels a little bit heavier than the original KS0 or KS0 Pro, so I'm curious to see if there's any kind of extra heat sinks or anything like that on the inside. Seeing as that was a common modification that we made as miners to the KS0 and KS0 Pro in order to overclock them. Like I said, I'm curious to see if they've changed that. I'm going to go ahead and grab my KS0 shell real quick and see how much of a difference in size it is. And shocking absolutely no one, it is exactly the same size miner. So it looks like any of your shrouds for the KS0, KS0 Pro should work for this device. Like I said though, it does seem like even just picking up this one compared to this one, I don't think the back housing on this is making that much of a difference. There's something noticeably heavier on the inside of this one. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get this started up and then I'm going to tear it down. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and get this all torn down, torn apart. See what we got here. I already removed the label off of it. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say absolutely nothing is different on this thing. Ooh, nice, already lost. Screwdriver. Heavy screw. That's always good. Off to a great start. Ooh. Okay, it looks like there's might be something changed on the board. Let's take a look. I actually have my other KS0 Pro right here. Go ahead and take that off. Alrighty. Drum roll. Boom. Alright guys, sorry to take a little bit of a break there. Let's put this aside. And we'll do the part that y'all want to see. See if it's any different underneath. So let's crack these loose. Keep you lukewarm here. Just want to let you know, hey, look at those components. They're sideways. So I went ahead and removed the PCB, and for some fucking reason, iceriver decided that it was a great idea to thread lock the actual mounting screws to the standoffs, so that when you unscrew it, these standoffs come out with it. I was really concerned, and I could see this being intentional to keep people from taking it apart. And repasting them, because if you're not careful and you just try to unscrew them, you will more than likely snap the board. This is really stupid. Don't know why else they would do it besides make it a pain in the ass to open the device. But I'm gonna go ahead and repaste it and get it up and running again and see if that changes the temperatures at all. Oh, I did also want to point out on it looks like they put a lot more heat spreaders on this, especially where the power lines are going in between each one of the ASIC chips. They definitely stacked up a lot more, and the PCB itself is a lot heavier. So I think that they knew that this was an issue on the last two versions, especially the Pro and the original KS0 with having heat issues on the power stages, anywhere the power is being distributed. We still have the same number of ASIC chiplets. We still have 12, so this is definitely a new fab, but this is a design for the chips. It's not just stacking. We'll see how power hungry they really are. They do claim 100 watts at 400 gigahash, but we'll see what it actually is. Alrighty, we're up and mining now. It looks like we're getting some accepted shares in. We'll see if I did any kind of irreparable damage, but I don't think I did. So I think that's it for today, guys. honestly, 90% of you guys that watch this video actually aren't subscribed, so if you could, it'd be massive. I am planning on doing some kind of giveaway for 500 subscribers. I'm thinking about giving away 1 or 2 of those fan shrouds out to people, maybe 2 out to 2 separate subscribers. I'm not sure, whatever you guys want to do. I might do it as a live stream or something like that, where I'll either be overclocking my KS0 Pro, or hopefully at that point KS0 Ultra, or something of the like. So if you guys could, please like and subscribe the video so I can make more of this stuff. Anyways, y'all take care. It's very late. Have a good night.
I say it in the booth. Hey, what the fuck you bitches? I'm the truth. Bitch, I'm getting ready for your name.